The ZWILLING Spirit ceramic nonstick fry pan is a great addition to any kitchen. It comes in an 8-inch size. This pan is made with stainless steel. The nonstick coating is ceramic. It makes cooking food easy. Food slides right off the surface. Cleaning is also a breeze. You can even put it in the dishwasher. This ZWILLING Spirit ceramic nonstick fry pan helps you cook like a legend. This fry pan has many useful features. The stainless steel body heats up quickly and evenly, so your food cooks perfectly every time. The ceramic nonstick interior prevents food from sticking. You won't have to worry about scrubbing hard. The handle stays cool while you cook. This makes it safe and easy to use. The ZWILLING Spirit ceramic nonstick fry pan is durable. It is built to resist wear and tear. Overall, the ZWILLING Spirit ceramic nonstick fry pan is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for everyday cooking, from eggs to stir-fries. This pan can handle it all. The nonstick surface is a game changer. Cleaning up after a meal is no longer a chore. If you want a reliable and easy-to-use fry pan, this is it. It's a solid transaction for your kitchen. You won't need any luggage to carry this amazing pan home. Just put it in your sink for a quick wash, or let the dishwasher do the work. For anyone looking for a dependable nonstick pan without any over-the-top claims, the OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a great choice. It's practical, easy to use, and easy to clean. It won't suddenly turn you into a gourmet chef, but it will make everyday cooking less of a chore. This OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a workhorse, not a show pony, and sometimes that's exactly what you need in your kitchen. Pros: heats quickly, even heating, stay cool handle, durable, no PFOA, PTFE, flared rim. Dishwasher safe, oven safe to 400 degrees F. Cons: not fully dishwasher safe. Rivets can trap grime, not ideal for high heat, no helper handle on. Larger size, oven safe only to 400 degrees F. Ceramic can become sticky, uneven heating possible. Some users report sticking features. Ceramic coat, stainless steel 3-ply base, even heating, stay cool handle, oven safe to 400 degrees F. Dishwasher safe, induction ready. This 8-inch ZWILLING Spirit fry pan is made with stainless steel and has a special ceramic coating that helps food not stick. It has a strong 3-layer bottom for even heating, and the handle stays cool when you're cooking. You can even put it in the oven up to 400 degrees or wash it in the dishwasher. This pan can be used on all kinds of stoves, including induction ones. This 8-inch ZWILLING Spirit frying pan is made with stainless steel and has a ceramic nonstick coating that heats up fast and evenly. It has a handle that stays cool, a strong build, and a flared edge to stop drips. It's safe to put in the oven up to 400 degrees F. But it's not fully safe for dishwashers, and food can get stuck around the rivets. Some people have found that food sticks to it. It might not heat perfectly evenly, and it's not the best for cooking at very high temperatures. The smaller size doesn't have an extra handle to help lift it.